news just coming in. Even as the centre, in fact, has cut excise duty on petrol and diesel prices, the Kerala government has said that it will not cut VAT on fuel prices. The Pinarayi Vijayan government has cited poor financial situation of the state for not being able to bring down VAT on fuel.
Actually, as part of the reduction by the central government, we already reduced the prices. There is around, in the case of diesel, there is a 2 rupee 50 paisa, around 2 rupee 50 paisa reduction for diesel. And 1 rupee 60 something, 60 plus. Different places, different rates are there. So 1 rupee 60 paisa per litre of petrol is already reduced. And what do we think? There is a increase of around 30 rupees earlier for petrol and diesel as part of the special cess, which is not divisible. Central government is taking it for themselves. So from that 30 rupees, they reduced only 5 rupees per petrol and only 10 rupees for diesel. So we are asking or seeking their help to reduce all the increased 30 rupees, around 30 rupees. That will help the economy. That will only help the economy.
Actually, in 2020 December, the opposition in Kerala published a white paper on the economic situation of Kerala. We have revealed the actual economy, detailing the entire debts created by this government, and government is in a debt trap. Government is in a debt trap and a huge deficit is there. But government was trying to hide the real deficit in the budget. And from the government of India, some of the states were getting compensation for this thing, this huge deficit states. And Kerala was also getting more than 13,000 crore rupees this year from the government of India for compensating the deficit of the budget. But even then, the mismanagement is going on. They have no control, and the tax administration is in a bad shape. The entire tax collection is collapsed.
Most unfair. Okay. Central government has done as they can. Okay. So this government also, they can reduce the tax.
Okay.
Definitely and help the public.
Okay. So
if he deny it, he is not at all responsible to the public person. They are expressing the opinion of anti-society opinion.
Okay. And will Congress go for an agitation?
Definitely, we will go with action.
The state government already finances in a big mess. There is a huge deficit. As per the CAG report, it is
now, there is a big subject, big question you are asking.
Yes.
I will take sufficient time. Right, just on the,
so Congress will go for an agitation?
Yeah, definitely we will go with agitation.
The state has been facing acute fiscal crisis, but due to the COVID recession, the state is facing an unprecedented fiscal crisis, and according to the current indications, if things are going like this, the state may force to default the salary pensions and other routine payments. That's the situation that is prevailing now.
A reduction in petroleum products by the centre. I am sure Kerala will not be in a position to do that. The reason is very simple. The finances of Kerala are in extremely bad shape. And the blame has to go to the state government, which has been managing the finances in a very bad manner. Actually, considering the COVID pandemic, the state should have avoided the pay revision. If pay revision was deferred or not done at all, there would have been a big savings, and now using that savings, the state could have passed on the benefits of a reduction in the tax rate on petroleum products. It could have matched the step taken by the central government.